What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a minute since the last one. I mean a minute. Also, I know I haven't updated you guys on the step side. I know it's been a minute since I even posted it or anything on on YouTube. But yeah, pretty much the only thing I've only done to it recently is long tubes. I did the Granatelli performance wires. As you guys can see, it's got long tubes, the Granatelli performance wires, and then I tuned it. And then yeah, threw on those SS reps as well as those LED headlights, Z71 balance as well. Those are new headlights. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've done to it recently. So let's get to it. But yeah, today we're doing more of a maintenance slash upgrades, I guess you could call it. We're upgrading the coolant system, more of the hoses, and then flushing out all the old nasty coolant. So you can tell that coolant is hella old and ugly in there. We got some new coolant. We got new hoses, all silicone hoses. They should last a while. New reservoir, new thermostat as well. Also got a water wetter. Should make the temperature be cooler. The old coolant hoses, you guys can see. New ones coming. So yeah, let's get it started. All right, y'all. So here's the update I got on the coolant system. I got the old thermostat out right there. The old reservoir with the old hoses compared to the new one with the new silicone. Sheesh, what y'all think? Clean, huh? But yeah, there's the update on that. I did flush the coolant system. Here's the new thermostat. I'm all done with the coolant hoses, the thermostat. Pretty much everything's all completed, so here's what it looks like. Way better in my opinion. This gives the engine a way better look instead of just regular black hoses, you know. Damn. So yeah, I'm pretty much done swapping all the hoses. Everything's connected. I flushed the radiator, flushed the heater core as well. That shit was dirty. A whole bunch of brown fluid in there, debris. So that's all clean. But yeah, if you guys want to know how to flush the heater core, if you want to remove this hose, put water through it, and it'll come out shooting through this hose, and that's how you're gonna flush the heater core. So let's put the coolant in there and see if it warms up. All right, so I finished putting all the coolant in the system. Pretty much all water and a bottle of that water wetter. That's what it recommends. One bottle of this and mostly all water. If it doesn't need coolant, I'll top it off with coolant. But let's go ahead and start this bitch up and see how it runs. Oh yeah, for those who don't remember or know, it is a 5-speed. Coolant, I'm gonna have to put more water in it. There it is, it's all done. What you guys think? But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what the final result looks like with all the hoses. Try to use all the original stuff like that goes onto the intake. Like that. But yeah. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. So in case you want to know where I bought the coolant hoses at, that's where it's at. Glenn's Auto Performance, that's where I got them. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Let me know what you guys want to see in the next videos. I'm gonna try to upload a little bit more frequently. I know I've been bullshitting. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.